Castor oil, the 7-day adventure? Don't ignore this. Follow me, because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you spent all this time without knowing this important information. Castor oil has been around for centuries, often hailed as a miracle remedy for everything from glowing skin to thick hair and even detoxifying your body. But what happens if you use it consistently for 7 days? Is it just hype, or does it actually deliver transformative results? Buckle up, because this 7-day castor oil journey might just change the way you think about this ancient elixir forever. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, is packed with ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that holds the key to its many benefits. It's a thick, viscous oil known for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and deeply hydrating properties. But using it consistently for a week? That's where things get interesting. Let's start with the skin. Day 1 of applying castor oil to your face might feel a little strange. It's heavier than most oils and doesn't absorb quickly. But by day 3, something magical starts to happen. The high concentration of fatty acids begins to repair your skin's natural barrier, locking in moisture and leaving you with a dewy, healthy glow. Studies have shown that castor oil's antimicrobial properties can help reduce acne-causing bacteria, making it a potential game changer for those struggling with breakouts. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that castor oil contains natural humectants? These attract water to your skin, keeping it hydrated and plump. By day 7, you might notice fine lines softened and an overall improvement in your skin's texture. It's like giving your face a mini spa treatment every day. But what about hair? Castor oil has long been celebrated for promoting hair growth and thickness. During the first couple of days, you might feel like your scalp is overly greasy, but don't be discouraged. By day 4, the ricinoleic acid starts to stimulate blood flow to your hair follicles, encouraging growth and improving hair strength. Some people even report seeing baby hairs sprouting after just a week of consistent use. Here's a practical tip to avoid buildup. Mix castor oil with a lighter carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil. Apply it as a scalp treatment, leave it on overnight, and wash it out in the morning. By day 7, your hair might feel softer, shinier, and healthier than ever. Now, let's talk about the most controversial use of castor oil as a digestive aid. When consumed in small doses, castor oil acts as a natural laxative, stimulating your intestines and helping relieve constipation. However, this isn't something to do lightly. Overuse can lead to cramping, dehydration, and dependency. If you're considering this, always consult a healthcare provider first. To put this into perspective, a study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that castor oil packs applied to the abdomen can improve circulation and support digestive health without the risks associated with ingestion. By the end of your 7-day journey, you might feel lighter, less bloated, and more energetic. On the other hand, castor oil also has its pitfalls. While it's generally safe for external use, some people may experience irritation or allergic reactions. Always do a patch test before applying it to your skin. And if you're pregnant, avoid ingesting castor oil unless specifically advised by your doctor. It's been traditionally used to induce labor and can be risky. Now, let's address a common myth. Does castor oil truly grow lashes and brows overnight? Not quite. While it won't perform miracles in 24 hours, consistent application over 7 days can make your lashes and brows appear thicker and more conditioned. The key here is patience and regular use. Imagine this: by the end of your 7-day castor oil adventure, your skin is glowing, your hair feels luscious, and you've discovered a natural remedy that fits seamlessly into your self-care routine. Plus, the confidence boost is undeniable. If you're still skeptical, consider this. A 2018 study highlighted the anti-inflammatory benefits of ricinoleic acid, which can soothe irritated skin and promote healing. Whether you're dealing with eczema, dry patches, or even scars, castor oil could be the solution you've been overlooking. In conclusion, castor oil is more than just an old-school remedy. It's a versatile powerhouse ingredient that can transform your beauty and wellness routine in just 7 days. From skin hydration to hair growth and even digestive support, its benefits are undeniable when used correctly. Here are 20 tips and tricks. 1. Use castor oil for hair growth. Regularly applying castor oil to your scalp can help stimulate hair follicles, promoting hair growth and thickness. 2. Strengthen nails with castor oil. Massage castor oil into your nails and cuticles to strengthen brittle nails and promote healthier growth. 3. Castor oil for skin hydration. Due to its rich fatty acid content, castor oil can deeply moisturize dry skin, leaving it soft and nourished. 4. Soothe dry lips. Apply a small amount of castor oil to your lips before bed to prevent them from becoming cracked or chapped. 5. Treat scalp issues. Castor oil has antimicrobial properties, making it a great option for treating dandruff and other scalp issues. 6. Use for eyelash growth. Gently apply castor oil to your eyelashes using a clean mascara wand to enhance growth and thickness over time. 7. Reduce acne scarring. The oil's ability to promote collagen production helps fade scars and prevent further acne breakouts when used regularly. 8. Massage for joint pain relief. Castor oil can be used in massages to reduce inflammation and alleviate joint pain, especially in areas like knees and elbows. 9. Prevent stretch marks. Applying castor oil during pregnancy can help prevent stretch marks by improving skin elasticity. 10. Relieve constipation. A small dose of castor oil acts as a powerful natural laxative, helping to relieve constipation quickly. 11. Castor oil for wound healing. The oil promotes faster wound healing by boosting collagen production and protecting the skin from infections. 12. Treat dry scalp. Mix castor oil with other oils like coconut or olive oil for a moisturizing treatment that tackles a dry, flaky scalp. 13. Natural eyebrow growth. Similar to eyelashes, castor oil can help thicken and shape your eyebrows with consistent application. 14. Soothing eye treatment. When used sparingly, castor oil can help reduce puffiness and dark circles around the eyes due to its anti-inflammatory properties. 15. Boost your immune system. Castor oil packs can be applied to the abdomen to improve circulation, enhance lymphatic drainage, and strengthen immunity. 16. Alleviate foot pain. A foot massage with castor oil can help soothe soreness from standing or walking all day, especially when paired with a warm foot soak. 17. Relieve menstrual cramps. Castor oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can provide relief from menstrual cramps when applied to the abdomen. 18. Moisturize dry elbows and knees. These areas tend to get dry and cracked, but applying castor oil overnight will leave them soft and hydrated. 19. Promote healthy gut function. When ingested in small amounts, castor oil can help cleanse the digestive system and promote healthy bowel movements. 20. Natural anti-aging treatment. The antioxidants in castor oil can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, making it an excellent addition to your anti-aging skincare routine.